We are biggest manufacturer and suppliers this type of promotional gift items. We have almost 1,000 type of gift items. If you give it to your client, they feel very happy and they will give repeating orders. You can get extraordinary clients with this type of promotional activity products like flask, wall clocks, tabletops, diaries, extraordinary pens, keychains. These all they can buy from outside, but your client maybe didn't have the time. That's why if you give a sophisticated gifts to them, they feel happy and they'll give regular orders like that. And we have extraordinary color combination also in this. Whatever you want, we can provide with the branding. Your company logo, phone number, website ID, everything will print on the gift items, including exclusive boxes. Box is the important, gift pack is the important. If you put a number of valuable gift items also inside, and if you cannot provide the good box, that's waste. That's why we give extraordinary exclusive box packing also with the branding. We supply all over India this type of products. If required, just make a call 9246372692. Our company in Hyderabad, HITECH Group. Just make a call and get a doorstep delivery. Best quality gifts.